Everyone, this is V, Buzzing with V. Welcome to another video. Well, today's video is a haul from Hobby Lobby as well as a walkthrough, and so let's get into it. So what I went for today was Valentine's Day, and so I picked up these flowers, and these are paper flowers, these burlap hearts. I thought they were super cute to do something, maybe put some crochet around it. Pick that up. You guys all seen these. These are from last year. Picked those up because I never grabbed some for myself. I picked up these cute little bears for shadow boxes. I really like these. This one has different faces on them. I love the cute little faces that it has. I picked this up this year and I love it. Oh, this reminds me of some Spanish sweetbread. And then I picked these up. These are also from last year. I got some more of these bows. Well, I didn't get the Valentine ones last year, but I'm running out of these. Picked up these right here. These are bracelets, and I like them not for bracelets, you guys, but for charms. And I like it because the hole. Look at that hole. That hole is so much smaller than the other ones that they're offering. Next, ribbons. Ran out of this, so I picked this up. It's in a small spool now compared to the old one. They still had the old one in pink, so look how huge that is. It's the same. Yeah, it's the same. It's 2 inches by 3 yards, so it's the same, just smaller spool. Pick some more of this up because I'm running out. Pick some more of this velvet. Now this is different, you guys. This one is different. Let me open it. This one is sort of like a trim, so I would be able to sew this on something. I like it because it's velvet, and it's going to be just a peak of velvet. This right here. This is a polka dot pink one. These are so cute. They are a buffalo check heart, and it's styrofoam inside, so the outside is fabric, and you can see they sewed around the foam. I love this, you guys. Altered, you could alter them, you could make so much things. Anyway, it was a splurge at $6 for this bag. So they have different ones you'll see in the walkthrough. They have 2 different color pinks. They have this one and another color I forgot. So that is my haul for Hobby Lobby, you guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that, and yeah, stay for the walkthrough. There's so much happening at Hobby Lobby. You don't want to miss it. So I will see you guys in the next video.